Let me recognize you, sir. You know, in our state today, we're no longer doing party. We're doing a movement. So don't blame me if I didn't go the side of the party so much. The party has failed us here. So what we're doing now is to stand with our two legs fitted on the soil of River State so we can defend democracy. Whatever situation we find ourselves today in the state, you all know the cause of it. Where on earth can tenure of a local government chairman be elongated? You were a former governor. Was it tried in your time? Even those of you that are senators here, even in your own state, is it that the constitution that governs Nigeria is different from the one that operates in River State?